roaring in the morning sun.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video I'm making soup. It's on a Saturday evening, so yeah, tag along. I am using this jiko for the very first time. They say inaokoa makaa, so let's see. I also hope that kuiwasha is easy, because I hate washing jiko and firewood. Don't tell me.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Lighting it up is like any other jiko, so yeah, there's no time difference in lighting it up. This jiko, they say it saves charcoal 62%, inapunguza moshi 64%, warranty 1 year, Anyway guys, this video is not sponsored by that company. That was just a by the way. So I bought 1 kilogram of these bones from a butchery. They're fresh bones. Guys, 2 hours later, but anyway, imewaka vizuri. Look at that, yeah. So let's go put on our bone broth into cooking. I'm so excited. Washed my bones, put them in a cooking pot, and then added water and salt to taste, and then covered it up to boil. After some time, I removed the top layer formed as shown. Onto the ingredients. In today's recipe, we are using green chilies, spring onions, the red onions, and garlic. Also tell me why the spring onions are quite costly in Nairobi. Anyway, if you get more spring onions, you can add more of that because it really helps with the taste. If you also have been watching my videos, you know that garlic has been one of the spices that never miss in my recipe. It really tastes so good and it's beneficial to your health. This was after 2 hours. I added all my ingredients.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This soup is filled with so much flavor and so much benefit to your health. It actually comprises of all natural ingredients. If you want, you can add black pepper, cumin, or anything that you want, any other spices that you want to add to your soup. After 2 more hours, my soup was ready and I couldn't wait, so I served mine while I let the rest of it to boil on low heat for 2 more hours. I really love the bone marrow, and here I was fetching for it. This is the low heat I'm talking about, and one thing for sure, it saves a lot on charcoal.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
This is the point where you can separate the soup from the bones, and then you can place the soup in a blender so that it can mix up the soup plus the top layer. But personally I prefer it this way rather than it being white. So yeah, this is how I had my soup. So if you want to drink the white one, just place it in a blender.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in.
Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.